In this tutorial, I will show you how to UV unwrap many objects individually. So here's the issue I had with my project, right? So I wanted to UV unwrap every single one of them, right? And let's say, if I do that, like I unwrap it like so, I do this smart UV project, right? Unwraps it nicely, everything works fine. But if I select a whole bunch of them and I want this done on every single one of them, what happens is they all being unwrapped in the same UV space. And sometimes maybe you want that, right? But in my case, I wanted individual UV unwrap for every single object. So that just doesn't quite work well for me, right? You see all these little islands, they are all over the place. I want them to be each individually UV unwrapped. And if you want the same thing, then I made the plugin that will help us. So here's what it's doing. So if you just click that, it applies that same, Smart UV project, but it applies it to each object separately. And now you have this one. You see this one. It's UV unwrapped. This one, UV unwrapped in its own UV space. And if you want, after that, you still want to have consistent textile density for everything, right? You just click that and you just set your textile density. And it takes a minute, but it's still quite fast. I think it takes just like a few seconds, maybe like we're gonna wait 10 seconds or so, and it'll be done. All right, and that's it, And if I try to use this plugin, I try to do the same thing here, and this is awesome plugin, right? I use this, checker texture here. I used all of these features all the time, but if I click this, it'll take me 5 minutes to do the same thing, right? So, like for example, let's just get like these two and try to apply it. Let's set it to like 2048, right? See how long it takes. All right, and it does it, right? And let's see how long mine does it. Do the same thing, almost instant, right? Much faster. So that's the bulk of it. And if you find it useful, then there's a Gumroad page with my plugin, and it's right here, and it's totally free. You can just go and download it, get it for $0 if you want. If you want to support me, appreciate it. All right. In either case, hope it find it useful, and good luck with your modeling.